Today, we're exploring 10 creative ideas to light up your small garden and make it glow at night. Whether you want a cozy vibe or a stunning centerpiece, we've got you covered. Stick around and check the description below for links to products and more tips. Let's dive in. 1. String lights for a cozy ambiance. Let's start with string lights. These little gems are perfect for small gardens. You can drape them over a fence, wrap them around a tree, or hang them above a bench. They give off a warm, cozy glow that's great for relaxing or hosting friends. Go for solar-powered ones to keep it simple and save on your electric bill. Just hang them up and let the sun do the rest. 2. Solar lanterns for eco-friendly charm. Next up, solar lanterns. These are awesome because they're eco-friendly and super cute. Set them along a path or hang them from a branch. They soak up sunlight all day and light up on their own at night. Pick a style that fits your garden, maybe rustic metal or sleek glass. It's an easy way to add charm without any wiring. 3. Spotlights to highlight features. Spotlights are your go-to for showing off special spots. Got a favorite plant or a little fountain? Place a spotlight at the base and aim it up. It creates a cool, dramatic effect that makes your garden feel bigger. Use LED ones for bright light that lasts. Point, plug in, and watch your garden pop. 4. Pathway lights for safety and style. Pathway lights are a must. They light your way so you don't trip, plus they look great. Line them up along walkways or around flower beds. Low voltage LEDs are perfect. They're bright but won't spike your energy bill. Arrange them in a neat row, and you've got a safe, stylish garden path. 5. Fairy lights for a magical touch. Fairy lights are tiny but pack a punch. Weave them through bushes, wrap them on railings, or stuff them in a jar for a DIY vibe. Their soft sparkle makes your garden feel like a fairy tale. They're cheap, easy to find, and totally transform the mood. Sprinkle them around and enjoy the magic. 6. Wall-mounted lights for vertical interest. Short on space? Try wall-mounted lights. Stick them on a fence, wall, or your house to light up from above. They're great for ambiance and can spotlight a plant wall or decor. Pick a design you love, modern or vintage, and screw them in. It's a smart way to use vertical space in a small garden. 7. Candle holders for a romantic vibe. Want romance? Candle holders are your answer. Place them on a table, along steps, or hang them up. Battery-operated candles are best. They flicker like the real thing but won't burn anything down. Set them out for a date night or a quiet evening and feel the warm, cozy vibes take over. 8. Underwater lights for water features. If you've got a pond or fountain, underwater lights are a game changer. They sit below the surface and glow up your water feature. Some even change colors for extra fun. Drop them in and watch your garden turn into a peaceful oasis. It's a simple trick that makes a big impact. 9. Bollard lights for modern appeal. Bollard lights bring a modern edge. They're tall, sleek posts that shine light downward. Perfect for paths or borders, they keep things clean and sharp. Choose a style like minimalist or industrial to match your vibe. Plant them in the ground, and your garden's got instant cool factor. 10. DIY mason jar lights for a personal touch. Finally, DIY mason jar lights. Grab some jars, toss in fairy lights or candles, and hang them up. Paint them or add beads for your own flair. It's a fun, cheap project that makes your garden feel personal. Hang a few around, and you've got a custom glow that's all you. That's it. 10 easy, creative ways to light up your small garden. From string lights to mason jars, there's something here for every style. Give them a try, mix and match, and see what you love. Check the description for more ideas and links. If you like this, hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more garden tips. See you next time.